Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are learning how to build this Wood Sulpture Museum designed by mad architects. Let's have a look at the image first. And this is the inspiration for the design of a tree trunk. The draft image and the side surface, you see it is a very freedom and dynamic surface. The models, sections, the building after build. Let's go back to the first image. If I give you this model, this image, how can you build it? This is not a geometric model, so we can draw the spatial line first, and then let us consider what comment should we use. Loft, sweep 1 rule, sweep 2 rules, or edges from 2 or 3, 4 edges. We use loft comment, it is very easy. Let's go back to Rhino and have a look how to do it. Go to the top view, put the top view background. We input background bitmap, and then let us find the top image. You can download all of these files from our website. Click open, set my background, set front one, background, bitmap, front view image. This one. I can click grayscale now, and it has color now. We need to make sure these two images have the same length for the building, so I can draw a line for the top one, and then I can skew this one. Background. But we are using a line with this image. We are not using the skew one. A line. Mirror your building length, and you need to hold your shift on your keyboard. We can draw it as this length, this line. Oh. And the next thing, we need to put the background. So let us go to the split viewport horizontally. Click it. Go to the set view, set it as a back view. And we go background bitmap, move this one first, and then we can place a new one, the back image. Grayscale no, align it. Repeat the same process. One thing we need to know is this front view and the back view background, they are not exactly the front view or back views of the building, so we only put these images as a reference. We are not going to trace them. Okay, cool guys, let's do it until this step, and then we continue the rest of the steps. Hi guys, how's it going for the tutorials? Now I would like to share something with you. As you know, you can watch tutorials on our channel, but for those who just starting with 3D modeling or who is interested in having more details and thematic learning to improve their Rhino skills, we have designed a series of architectural modeling and design courses for Rhino and Grasshopper. Come to our website, RhinoArchSchool.com. The first link in the descriptions. Let's see how it works. Open your browser windows and tap RhinoArchSchool.com. Get close to look our course. You can join our Rhino Architecture design tutorials from beginner to advanced course. The first one is unlimited time course. The second one is monthly payment course. They are the same course, just different purchasing method. Learning this course, you will get a step-by-step approach to learn with how to be modeling organic architectures, parametric architectures through interesting cases and famous architects projects. For example, the Hardis project, math project, VR Pingos project, digital points project, and much more. Join our professional architecture course and design your miracle. Also, if you want to have files, materials, or YouTube tutorials, you can get them by supporting and become our blog members. You can find the link in the description. I would like to thank all of our blog membership supporters. It really helps us create even better and more tutorials. If you like the tutorial and would like to see more, please click the like button and make sure you subscribe our channel, and we publish the new videos 2 times per week.